Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to make a job post private on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and make a job post private. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Maybe you want to go ahead and work with only one candidate, and that's the reason why you need to make your job post private. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to log onto Upwork. And then next, you're going to find the job post, which you want to go ahead and make private. So with that job post, you want to click on these three dots and then click on Make Private, which is located right over here, okay, Make Private. So once you do that, it's going to go ahead and make it so that your job is now invite only and only visible to freelancers you contact directly. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make a job post private on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.